So, I welcome you all to this introductory session of Divli Drives. Divli Drives is a platform where we are working on the innovative projects related to robotics and automation. One of our major focus areas is developing the automated guided vehicles or AVGs and exploring how they can be used in warehouses and industries to make the operation faster, smarter, and more efficient. So, through this project, we will be learning and working on different aspects, such as how the vehicles are actually function, what are the features that can be added to improve their performance, and how we can create those cost effective solutions which we will be going to make through this project. So the goal is not to just learn about the technology but also apply the ideas to solve the real life solutions of the problems which are create in real world. So if you want to join the internship with us. So we all are welcoming you to join the internship. So if you are interested in robotics, automation, and innovation, or simply want to learn and contribute to the exciting projects, we would love to have you with us. So to enroll us, just click on the link given in the description below and send us the email which is tagged in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to this show. As you all know that we are building this platform just to encourage the robotics sector. So basically, we are targeting to make the automatic guided vehicle, also known as AGVs. So to understand what is this actually, so let's me take the example of the JCB. So everyone has seen the JCB on the construction site, right? Like big machine, one driver doing the heavy lifting. Now imagine if JCB had no driver. So what if it knew exactly where to go, did the job, and came back all by itself? It sounds like a science fiction, but inside a factory, it is already happening in other parts of the world. We are here to make it happen in India, and we want the help of you to build it. So basically, we are providing an internship or the opportunities like that. So you can join us in this program and help us to make the AGVs. So it is stated like if you're gonna start something new, there must be a problem inside it. So right now, in thousands of factories across India, materials are still being moved by hand. Like workers are pushing trolleys, forklift drivers doing the same route 200 times a day, someone with a clipboard tracking what went where. So it's slow, but and it is expensive as well. And most importantly, and nobody is collecting any data from it. So the factory has no idea where the bottleneck is and how long each movement takes or where the time is being wasted. But machines are smart. The production lines are advanced, but the movement in between still stuck in 1980s tech. So we want to make an robotic sector means what I say an automatic type or the use of robotics in it. So what we are building actually, so we are building an AGV as I mentioned earlier, automated guided vehicle. In simpler terms, I will explain that it is a smart vehicle that moves the material inside a factories on its own, no driver needed. Like think of a self-driving trolley. It gets a task, pick up from a station A and drop at station B. And it goes like that. It finds its way automatically without any doing any further discussions on that. And also it avoid obstacles and it comes back to that position where from it started. And it logs every single movement as a data. Now, all over the world, or basically major part of the world, AGVs is already existing. So you can buy from Germany or Japan, but they cost around 25 to 50 lakh per unit. that completely out of reach for the 90% of the Indian factories. So we have seen this issue, and the main factor is to make the cost effective. So we are building the same thing for a fraction of that cost, designing specifically for the Indian factory floors. Same movement, same thing, just around 5 to 6 lakh. So what I want to say is same capability, Indian conditions, affordable price, just built by us. So what is the vision of us in this? So the vehicle is just a start. Every factory that deploys this starts generating data like movement patterns, bottlenecks, timing, efficiency. Over time, that data makes the factory smarter, predictive, self-optimizing. So what I want to say is we are not just building a robot. We are building the intelligent layer under India's next generation of manufacturing. As we all know, India is in a massive manufacturing push right now. New factories, new industrial corridors, PLI schemes are going on. So all of that creates a huge demand for exactly what we are building. So this is the best time to do this, and no one is doing this from India at this price. Like no one is doing in India with this price unit of around 5 to 6 lakh. So what are the basic steps of us here? Like research and design for like there is a phases going on. Explain the phase, yeah. So there is a phase one which is research and industry understanding. After that, we will move to the design and product development. And to that every work we need a prototype and testing as well. So it is included in a phase three. The phase four is industrial development. Phase five is scale and ecosystem expansion. And phase six is national industrial automation network. Let me just explain it from the phase one. Phase one, research and industry undertaking, understanding. So before starting, I have explained how why we are building this and what are the research that we need in this to make it effective. Phase two is design and product development. So after researching, we have to design a product which give us the idea what we're gonna make. Third is prototype. Before starting a new work, we have to prototype and we have to test the machines as well. Next phase is the major part in this. We have to deploy this in industries and see its scale and ecosystem expansion. And like that only, by building this, each phase builds on last. It creates a foundation for the scalable or sustainable industrial automation across India. So as I have explained what the vision of the what we are making, so why you should join this program? Let me make it personal. So we are not asking you to join a company. We're asking you to build something real. There is no dummy assignments, no fake projects for a certificate. You will work on an actual product that will go into the actual factories. The problems are real and the solutions you build will matter. And honestly, getting in now at the ground floor is the best position to be in. 5 years from now, if you succeed in it, when this is deployed across Indian industry, you will be able to say you helped build it from scratch. So what are the domains in it? The first domain is design and mechanical, which includes CAD, chassis designing, prototyping, stress testing. Second is electronics, which includes sensors, motors, embedded system, power. Next is if we are making this as a robotics, then software is the basic need. So there is a navigation logic, fleet test, the dashboard, mobile applications, all etc. Next we need is business, market research, industry outreach, proposals, and the last but not least is project management. What we need is planning, timelines, and team coordination. So if you are interested in it, if you know just the basic of it, no need to worry if you are not advanced in this. You can still join us. We are here to build. We are here to learn. Okay. For CAD designing, we are we are including the student of like mechanical, aviation, or design sector. For electronics, EC students, electrical students. For software, we have a domain of CS and IT, AI, etc. For business, we have MBA, BBA. And for project management, any stream can make the progress in it. So it's not a big task to do. So we started with a JCB that is a driver. We are building the version that doesn't. The technology exists, the market is ready, the timing is right. What is missing is the team that builds it. That team is built in this room right now. If you want to be with a part of something that actually matters, come talk to us after this. There is all details of contacting us in the description box. You can mail us and do the joining as per your need. Thank you so much.